guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new on my channel, you are welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is GELE tutorial, and my daughter is going to be my model. Okay, that is why she's here. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So the reason why I still have this GELE on is because I just finished creating a video where I style this GELE. You guys are going to see it before this one that we are about to do now. Okay, so if you are here and you are here to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, it is free, you are not paying for it. That is the only way you can help your girl. So let's get right into the video. So this is the hair choke I'm going to be using for her, and we are going to be using pin. So come and sit. This is the length and this is the width. Can you guys see? The measurement for this GELE is 50-50. Look up. So I'm going to create some pleats. So you will still help me to hold the GELE. Okay, so you have to drop your iPad, but not now, not now. If I look up, let me create one more pleat. So making 5 pleats. Now drop your iPad. So don't rest your back. Don't rest your back. Now hold it. Hold it here. Hold it like this. Hold it very well. Look at the camera. Don't rest your back. Don't rest your back. Don't rest your back. Is it tight? Too tight?
No.
No. See, hold this side for me. This one. Thank you. Now raise your head. Look up. Yeah. So you pleat this place a little bit.
Please, please.
Pleat. So we are not using pin to pleat now. Can you guys see what I'm doing? We pleat it a bit. We are not going to pleat everything, just a little. This is 3 pleats now. Then you do the same thing on this side. This is our model. You're supposed to hold this one for me now. Okay. So once you are done, you are going to secure it at the middle. Then you are going to secure it. Okay? Hold this one like this. Then hold this one. Use the other hand to hold this. This. Let it be firm. Okay? So you are going to secure it. You tie. It is not firm, Ife. So at this point, my model is getting really impatient to leave that seat. So I was just doing my best. I was in a hurry to quickly finish the GELE so she could just leave and go and do her thing. So here I was just trying to style the GELE properly, as you guys can see. Try and arrange the pleat. Then the center knot, I was supposed to tie it the second time, But then because she was getting impatient, I was like, let me just do a quick style for her. So I just arranged that front part properly. Then I twisted the remaining part and secure it with the base. So once you are done securing that part to the base, just go back and arrange your gele properly. Style it properly to your satisfaction, do all the finishing touches and you are good to go. Small, small. Now face here. Do you like your baby? Smile, smile now. Stop jumping. Smile. Oh yeah, do shakara. Do shakara. Move back a little bit and do shakara. Do shakara. Hey. Another style. Another style. Side view. Give us side view. Do it very well. Side, side. Show us the other side. Okay. Come. So guys, you have come to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Now see you guys in my next one. Bye.